Octavia. I can sleep out the whole day. You alright?
Yeah, man. I feel kind of tired and my head still kind of dizzy, but I'm okay. How would do last night?
You would have a lot for drink and you know, would have a look at thing and you fall asleep.
Really? What kind of liquor that you give me? Never knock out before. So we never bother go up on the road. We just stay in. I can't remember nothing. Nothing I can't remember. But I feel, weird.
The man I said I liquor this team, man. Before I get it from, nothing like it. Not even white rum bud like it. You go alright though, man. Just eat some nice breakfast. I mean, you go up on the road later.
Yeah, where I go?
I'll bring you go buy some more clothes. Or get something to eat in the evening. How about that?
Alright, I'm gonna take a shower. I feel kind of cranny still.
Alright, yeah. Phew, in the air.
I must say, you tell me, say, you can't pay your rent. I'm if help you pay it. So, understand, you have to do anything I'm ask you to do. Right?
But I'm married.
And not my problem that I your own. Bend over. Let me see what you have to deal with. Nice and firm up, man. Like it like that.
Uncle Andy, the tenant them have do some weird things upstairs.
Yo, why you spying on the tenants? Yo, do you want your dad to cuss you out or something? You're not supposed to be going up there.
But him a beat her. Him a slap her up on thing. That no wrong.
Yo, you're not supposed to be looking through no windows, man. You're not supposed to be doing that, Jackson. Yo, I'm gonna tell your dad what you're
But
doing.
him the liquor. I don't understand. Isn't that wrong? I'm not supposed to liquor.
Why the place still looks so? Daddy soon come home.
Yo, your brother was upstairs. He was spying on the tenants. I told him not to do that.
Jackson. Where do up there, so you know you're not supposed to go up there. Leave people alone. I like how you know nothing to do. You clean up the rest of the house, seeing that you want to go look on people business. Me and they go watch TV.
Benefit Shivos Vibora. Sure. From deck. Ibon. Shinati. Very short damage. Just about.
Sure you know I'm gonna help you wash the clothes, them? You sure you know what you do?
I want to get this right. Don't worry. I'll keep practicing.
It's alright, I'm sure I'm not used to washing by hand. Let me do it, man.
No, Sean. I want to wash your cousin. I want to be useful.
Alright, but me will cook dinner, okay? Cause we don't have money for you. Mess up the dinner again. Oh God.
Hi, Sean. I didn't want to talk to you. If that's okay.
Go inside. Go and talk to your mother.
Yes? Where you want to talk to me about?
Why haven't you come look for your brother them? Them I want now.
If Sherry no welcome, me not come to your yard.
Sean, how can you talk so? We're your family and you're not even coming look for it?
Tell you already. If you can't accept Sherry, me not come round you.
I don't understand. This girl sleep with your father. Why do you want to be with her?
Why you always act like a fair fault? And daddy look a pervert.
Well, didn't you know that me and your father was married and she still slept with him?
Look here, mommy. I don't want disrespect here or nothing, you know, but nobody come with the foolishness, alright? Like what I tell you, say, if you can't accept Sherry, me not come round you. Simple. You should write your sister told her not talk. One need for talk, say. Sean, I am mother. You must can hold a reason with her. You know what you say no? But she need to talk to Sherry then. Two of them need for hold a reason, not me. Alright. Sherry? Yeah, Sherry reason. Me and Sean will talk.
Rick, I don't think this is a good idea.
Don't worry, man. Everything will work out just the way it's supposed to.
Babes, may I head out now? Me up on the road go deal with some things for Day. Stay here and watch Junior for me, alright? Anything you want on the road, just text me or call me. And don't forget, don't let nobody in here, alright? Alright. Make sure you're ready for me when I come back, you know.
Yeah, man, everything cook nice for you. You can buy me patty or something. Boy, you come back real nice. Eh?
About 2 bucks of patty, I forgot. I can't bulk boy a crave.
I don't feel like Annie liked me very much, you know, Anthony.
Why would you say that? I wish you do. Make you think she shouldn't like you. Honey kind of funny still, you know, man. She not really talkative to people, especially since the accident.
Yeah, but anytime I talk to her, she ignore me or she talk over me, especially when you in the room. I don't know, I just don't feel like she like me. I mean, Jackson like me and Andy like me, but I don't think she like me.
How about Honey, man? I said she stay with any new girl I talk to. It's like she wanna be the only girl in my life, you know? That is a good girl.
I just don't want to cause no problem, you know?
Don't worry much, I get used to you. So she stay. She really stubborn like her mother, but she'll get used to you.
I'm sorry about everything that happened between the two of you.
No, not my fault. I should have never thought to Daddy. I should have come to you. When him that looked me over the years, them.
Yeah, I know him status, so I know it's not your fault.
Him treated me so bad when I live with him. Him want let us sleep with the maid while we did higher. And one pregnant girl come.
Pregnant girl? Which pregnant girl?
One coolie girl, they come and look for me, they pregnant. I never see her before. She really pretty and kinda short.
Oh, hey. You want to favor your body in a Rick?
Hey man, long time I don't want you meet them, you know. Big brother and all.
So how it feel being a daddy, Rick?
Hey, good enough. Your children look why I still. Sure, you know why you come visit. Despite everything, you know, Sean, your mother really love and care boy, you know.
Yeah, I know, but she need to work out things with Sherry first.
Everything will be cool from now on, man. No worry, Sean. Your mother, no reason why I don't talk to her about everything. Well, we feel leave good, you know, not arguing, no fighting, nothing.
I want to live good with mommy, but mommy I forget along with Sherry too. She can't have war with her.
Don't worry, man. Everything will work out. But you have to get some understanding from your mother's side too, you know, to understand why she feel the way she do.
So when you make me come here, you start walk around like this for the rest of your life?
Tia, the girl them love Italia. One thing about me, when I make everybody come in my ear, you know.
You're so full of it. Have so much woman and you don't want nobody playing in it. Oh please, we are full. Daddy, didn't you buy the something I'm take for buy when I sleep on the table? What going on, eh? Hey, you look nice. You look really pretty today. Daddy, I need to go up on the road later. Just me and you, okay?
Honey, we are beautiful. You see Alira is to talk to you, you ignore her.
It's alright, Anthony. If she don't want to talk to me, it's fine. May I go in my room? Anthony, just leave it alone, alright? If she don't want to deal with me, it's okay. You don't have to yell at her or nothing.
No, man. She will learn to have look of respect still. You're older than her. She's too damn feisty.
Mostly possessed. Your ex-home overshot.
Sir, are you hungry? We can get you something to eat if you're hungry, you know?
Man, look like you're hungry. I'm going to visit, I find a pizza in there. How many knows a plate? Leave me alone.
Hey, mad boy, come out here.
Never eaten pizza and live, no worry.
We know why Master come here with him stink self. We know him can't go bed. We not even go bed, you're nasty. Hi, I just want to talk to you. My uncle was at hardware store. You want to work there and make some money? You won't have to eat all the garbage.
No, leave me alone.
But sir, it's a really good job.
Hold on, sit on your side now. Move.